welcome to Friends of Figma Watch Party live here in KL. Can we give a round of applause? Anyone watch the live before today? Oh, how did you feel about it?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Wow. Okay.
Your Mac or Windows laptop will just feel like paper. So yeah, that's
with everyone together, and I hope you have fun. By the way, Airport is hiring. We are a design agency mostly.